getting a little bit more organized and dialed in. Now it's time to start building the paint booth. Another addition for the garage. Sanded the inside of these down so I can use these as the hinge. We got a couple more packages of some stuff to help finish up the paint booth. We're also taking some reference photos using my cart for a new t-shirt design that we're working on. It's going to be a little slow this week. I'm gimping around with a swollen knee, but still trying to get some work done. These will be the filters for the air coming in, filters for the air going out. Everything's framed up and ready to wrap. Alright, got a few more things hung up and organized around the garage. We're basically ready to go. Hung up these foam blocks to help with the sound. And most importantly, the paint booth is finally done. All the filters are in. Got the exhaust system hooked up. And just mounted the light. We're ready to start painting some helmets.